Hey there everyone, my name is Prateek Mishra and I am from Techpile Technology Lucknow. As we are at the edge of 2024, we are going to start 2025 with all new apprenticeship training batches starting from January 2025 on all new technologies for electrical, electronics, civil, mechanical and CS IT engineering students. This is available for both BTech and diploma students. You can also be a student of BCA or MCA. We have a 100% placement record where this program is going to give you 100% job assistance so that you can excel in your career beyond. Now the registrations for these programs have already been started. You can get to know about these programs in detail into our official website of Techpile. You can also message us on the numbers given below, or you can also fill up the Google form given and attached with this video into the description. And on that note, thank you so much for watching.